In this video you will learn how to install PyCharm IDE for Python on Windows 10. This is step-by-step tutorial. Let's get started. PyCharm is developed by JetBrains. We will download it from official website of JetBrains. From this page you can download PyCharm. PyCharm is available for Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. In this tutorial I will show you how to install it on Windows. So we will install Windows Setup Binary. PyCharm is available in two editions, Professional and Community. You have to pay money to get Pro version, though there is free trial available. I will download Community Edition here. The download has started. I will run the setup file when it finishes downloading. The file has finished downloading. Now I will run it. Installation wizard will open now. Click Next. You can change the default installation location if you want. Click Next. Check first checkbox to make desktop shortcut of PyCharm Community Edition. If you are not using any other IDE to code in Python, then you can check .py checkbox in Create Associations. You must also check the Open Folder as project option. And at last but most important, you must check Add bin folder to the path and click Next. Click Install. If you didn't select the option to add bin folder to the path, you will have to manually add that after installation. Because we checked that option, path variable will be set by installation program, and all we need to do is to restart the system once installation is finished. Without a restart, the change in path variable will not take effect. Installation is about to get completed. Now I will reboot so that path variable can take effect. My system is rebooted now. I can see the PyCharm icon on my desktop. I will double-click to run it. Accept the license agreement terms by JetBrains to continue. You can choose whether you want to share your data or not. PyCharm Community Edition is launching now. In this tutorial you learned how to install PyCharm in your Windows system step by step. In coming videos I will bring the tips to how to configure and use PyCharm to achieve more productivity. Now PyCharm IDE is ready for use. Thanks for watching.